Hello all, welcome to NativeScript Tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to use image picker to get images from gallery to our NativeScript application. For this purpose, we will use this NativeScript image picker plugin. As you can see, this is the GitHub repo for image picker plugin. We will add this plugin in our application. So, as you can see, my simulator is up and running. So let's just add plugin. I will add TNS plugin, add NativeScript image picker. So with this command, the plugin will be installed in my project dependencies. Yes, as you can see, the plugin is already installed, so I don't have to install it again. In your case, if you are installing it for the first time, you should do a clean platform also, so that you will make sure that either the plugin is fully installed or not. So please do make a clean installation of your platform again after installing this plugin. So as you can see, my plugin is already installed, so I will start my application. As you can see, this is my basic application blank, so I will quickly generate the UI for my application. As you have followed my previous tutorial regarding the layouts, I will take a stack layout and I will take an image container in this to hold my image so that it can be viewed. I will add an ng if let's take a variable my image. I will explain it later why I am doing this. I will give a class as image css. I will give my source as my image. I will give a property stretch is equal to aspect fill. Now just close the image tag. Let's have a button. Take a class to style the button. What my program will do is like I have a button, and on the click of button I will choose an image, and the image will be rendered in my this image container. You can extend this application more to create user profile section in your application. I will name it as upload image. The tap event of this I will get name as get picture. I will close this button, and now let's see how it is looking. Now as you can see, I have a button upload image in my application. On click of that, it will find a get picture function. So let's quickly add this function also. Now the function is added. As you can see, we have installed our plugin. To make sure we have installed the plugin, go to your node folder and check for this folder, NativeScript image picker. You can see your plugin is installed in your dependencies section, that is node underscore modules folder. I will quickly import this image picker. I will name variable as image picker require NativeScript image picker. I will import few more things that is required in my case, as I will explain you why I am doing this. I will take all from image source module from image source. With this plugin, I will open an image from my gallery and then I will save the image to a particular path. For that, I need access to the file system. I will say fs is my variable name, require file system. Now as you can see in my application for this image, I have taken this my image variable. So let's quickly add this. I will set it as blank for the time being when there is no image. Inside this function, I will add few things where milliseconds. I will in this milliseconds I will get the date and current time in millisecond, so that for each image I pick from my gallery I will give my time in milliseconds and it will be a unique name for each of my image, so it will not create problem if I will take many pictures from my gallery. Let's take one more variable where that is equal to this to reference the current. Let context is equal to image picker dot create here mode I will say as single. So this mode would be single select or multi select. Let's save it. So as we have selected our mode of image picking as single, let's quickly type the code we needed to get the image from our plugin. I will say context.authorize dot then the variable I have taken my image, I have put a condition of ngIf over there, because in case if the image is not present, then the condition will handle whether to show the image or not in the image container. So that's why I have given a condition of ngIf over there. Now my context is set. Now with this selection, selection dot for each my function which will return me selected selected dot get image dot again a promise function that will hold my image source. Now let's add my reference to the folder I am saving my images. For my file system, sorry for my typing blunders, folders, fs.known folders dot documents. I will say here. Now the path of the my file would be fs.path dot join. I will join the folder path I am giving to my image as selected would be milliseconds plus I am saving it in PNG format. So as you can see, I have already taken this variable milliseconds here to get the current millisecond. Now save this image in the following path with image source dot save to file function which take my path and the image format. So now if I have done everything correctly, then with that is referenced as this, I will give my image the path I have saved my image. So I think we are done here. So now when my function will call, it should take me to my library. So if I will click on this, yeah, it's working. As you can see, I can go to my this camera roll where my images are there. I'm going there, click on done. Yes, as you can see, I have successfully uploaded my image from my gallery to my application, but it's taking a lot of space or occupying the whole area. So for that, I will add a CSS for my component. I have already given a class image CSS. Now for this image CSS, I will write some CSS as I will give border radius as 70, width let's say 150, height would be same because I want it to be in a round fashion. I'll give margin top so that it should appear little low from top as 5, and margin bottom so that my button don't get stick to my image. Let's save it. Now click on upload image again, click to camera roll, select another picture, done. Now you can see I have successfully uploaded my image, but now in a beautiful manner. I am now putting my image in a container. So what is happening here in this code, with this condition nj, if this image is not showing, neither the container is showing, because I have put a condition whether if my image is present or not, If my image is present, show me this container with the image, my image path as source. If my image is not present, don't show this at all. So in this get picture function, we have used this image picker plugin. Then we have given a mode as single. Then with this plugin, we have taken an image, we have saved the image to a particular path, we have used the same path to display my image. So our result is as expected. That's all for tutorial. Thank you.